Wally slip camp nylons. Basically they're nylon or neoprene on the top. They have a nice sole on the bottom, stretchy laces, and they also have a locking mechanism right here. Inside you basically have that Sherpa and you have the Hey Comfort insole. So they're very comfortable. I usually wear like an 11.5, so I ordered to one size up because they are slippers and they, you know, they're supposed to slip on and off. So I will put them on. You actually don't even need to bend down. You can put them on, but that's what they look like on. They're very comfortable. I like them a lot. They're definitely going to be, I'm going to try to keep these indoors, but you know, inevitably I go outside and mess all my stuff up, trying to keep these indoor. But I'll show you, you can basically just slip them off and you can slip them on just like that. So I think these are going to be like something everybody's going to have this winter. Just wanted to kind of make a video because I am very happy with them. I kind of want all of the colors. They're very, very comfortable.